Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be discussing a new product called as Langtail. So basically, what Langtail does is that it helps you deploy AI-driven workflows or ship AI-driven apps pretty fast. It also empowers you to debug prompts that you build out of those uh, that you build on the basis of the applications that you create. You can run tests, singular or multiple tests on the basis of the application that you have created, and you also can understand what has happened in real time production environment in terms of checking the logs of the API that is getting used for while you can use this project across your application or your project. So what we did here was a quick brief on the product itself. It has a dashboard which basically gives you an overview with creating a new playground or a new prompt on which you can build your AI application on. It gives you an overall cost, that how much of cost is getting bared out of the application that you have just created, and total number of requests that are being sent out. Usually our requests are being sent out to GPT 3.5 turbo model so that we can fetch all of our data. Like I said, we'll have the log management as well, where you can basically view what was the ID, what was the user, and all of the necessary information that was done. It also has metrics that gives you the usage analysis as well, which is how is your AI application moving your KPIs. Then you also have your secret KPIs, which you can APIs which you can integrate with your OpenAI. So for the use case that we have built today is that we wanted to generate and deploy an AI workflow, which is then getting used in a mobile application where a user is trying to look for additional information related to certain ICD-10 codes. Now we have created a template for system to know that he or she basically is a medical coder working in US healthcare, and its job is to assign ICD-10 codes on the basis of the patient data, and there are certain system actions that one might have to do. So the use case that I have given it to is basically a user of 45 years old male patient. He's presented with certain chest pain radiating to the left arm and additional stuff. He also has type 2 diabetes and stuff. And now either you can add more tools to this function generation or output generation, or add any specific variables which you want to tailor your response on, and then there are your parameters that control the model, and you'll have various other different type of metadata on which you can play around with. And let's say if I have prompted this, I can send it out. Let's suppose a user action has happened. Now the assistant will give you the information on the basis of what all is being asked to it. And was, I mean, to be very honest, as an healthcare enthusiast, it does look a little uh, relevant. You can also create multiple test cases that you can run on these, and where I have created certain test cases, I can run these test cases directly and view how the model is responding, and you'll have each output or result response for each of the test case that you have generated. So for each of the use case, it was unique, and each response will also be unique on the basis of the GPT 3.5 model. You can also view history of how many test cases were run. You can easily deploy your AI engines to various models. It can be your development model, development environment. It can be your staging environment. You can also deploy it to your production environment, and then it's your metrics and logs. So this whole product gives me a way to validate most of the use cases as a product guy before taking it hands-on to our developers. AI has been there in the market, and finding relevant use cases to build your applications around, and with Langtail being one of your primary products, you can easily build AI models and deploy them to your applications in real time, and also monitor how all users are responding with the model which you have just published. So this is Langtail. Let me know if you have any questions. Please do comment in the comment section of the video itself. And till then, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you again.